All right, Greg B's got 2 Contenders Optic football. So good luck. 2 autographs per. James Robinson, Justin Fields, Brevin Jordan, Kyle Pitts, nice one. Well, if you're going to do Eminence or Deluxe, you could do a 3-box case of Deluxe for the price of 1 Eminence. But Eminence was pretty sweet that first break we did. Darren Waller, cracked ice. There we go, 6 of 22. Justin Herbie. Ew. Sorry about that one, Greg. Kind of bent in 3. Box number 2. Jonathan Taylor. Nico Collins. Patrick Jones. Rashad Bateman. And he's going to be Ravens' #1 receiver. It's Kenneth Gainwell. It's out of 50. Then we got Davis Mills and Kellen Mond Blue. It's out of 99. Thank you, Greg.